world is going wireless. So why not get a wireless system now for all of your facility needs that also generates new revenue? Park Tours has the formula for success with Cruiser System guest guides. Here's how. With a wireless PDA, guests manage their day for a better experience. You manage your staff and inventory proactively and real time. With a click of the guest guide, you make money and cut costs with resource management. Guests pay a nominal fee to have a better day by utilizing easy navigation, scheduling, communication, and purchasing tools. You gain the benefits of a system paid for by guests. Guest guides provide innovative features and benefits to zoos, museums, aquariums, theme parks, cruise ships, and trade shows. The system is brilliant in its simplicity. It's a wearable device, lighter than a camera, and easy to use. With guest guides, location-based services provide guests with valuable information. They can easily navigate, make an interactive plan, including line and show reservations, and purchase food and souvenirs. Paper maps, handouts, and signage can be confusing and lack the depth of information that visitors need. With guest guides, fun facts and layers of detailed information can be easily updated. You can tell guests what you really want them to know on any given day. As operators, what do your guests complain about the most? Almost unanimously, long lines and wasted time. Take that pain away with a plan. With our easy-to-use system, guests control their plan throughout the day, even on the fly. Reservations are a snap with guest guides. Miss the lines and catch the show. Don't wait for your seat. Your seat awaits you. As park and facility managers, you have watched guests crisscross over the same areas instead of really enjoying the attractions. Guests can make the most of your full facility by easily mapping out their day with guest guides. Behind the scenes, you can better manage your crowds with load balancing. Use real-time suggestions to draw guests into park areas where there is no waiting. And speaking of lines, let's take some guests out of your food and merchandise lines. Make it easier for guests to buy items for pickup, maximizing their time and experience. At Park Tours, we've taken our time to make our system simple to use and easily customized to meet your needs. The result? Park Tours Cruiser System Guest Guides. Convenient, lightweight, easy to carry, simple to use. Offers location-based services including wayfinding, making a plan, line and show reservations, and purchasing. Rental revenue sharing model reduces installation costs and boosts bottom line. Now let's look at the Cruiser Systems back-end benefits for managers in your facility. Cruiser Systems puts powerful management tools in the palm of your hand, all in a system that is paid for by guests. Working as part of the guest guide system, the management tools show real-time park usage for an inside look at where your guests are going. How does that help you? Guest guides give the big picture on guest trends, patterns, and crowd usage. Anticipate the traffic flow about to let out of the show and stand ready with food staffing and supplies instead of reacting to the dilemma of long lines. Instead of underutilizing staff in other areas, use the system to get live reports. Then communicate quickly and easily to mobilize manpower and supplies. The results? Increased sales and happier guests. Let Park Tours help you share your story with your guests. With the charter to educate guests, keeping information current can be overwhelming. At Park Tours, our engineers have designed a system to simply incorporate your stored content into easily searchable layers of information. And instead of waiting for new brochures to be printed or new signs from the sign shop, changes are easy to make by cruising through the Park Tours content management tool. And speaking of communicating, how about telling guests about the sale they are missing? Or better yet, take demographic information from guest guide users at check-in and design a custom sale to entice them into a shop. Understanding your customer has been the greatest challenge since day one, but it's labor intensive. Park Tours can integrate valuable research questions into the user's registration. This saves labor by taking guest guide marketing research results and reporting it right into the management tools system. So here's the big picture of the cruiser system management tools. Guest flow analysis, guest information management, proximity marketing, and attendance tracking and marketing research. With Park Tours, you get the formula for a revenue-generating system that saves you money in labor and boosts the bottom line. Have a wireless system already? Park Tours can plug in easily. Need a wireless network? Park Tours can deliver wireless functionality, and you can add your point of sale or other system to the network. Think future, think Park Tours, and go wireless today. From A to Z, aquariums to zoos, we've got you covered. Wirelessly, that is, with Park Tours.